Today we are going to discuss about the 7th March current affairs. The topic taken from the Daily Edition. The topic is India-UK FTA agreement. This topic comes under our GS2 bilateral, regional and global grouping agreement involving India or affecting India's interest. In this topic, we are going to discuss about the what is the key highlight of the meeting, what is a free trade agreement, investment of geopolitical indicator, tech cooperations, what are the security and defense partnership, India free trade agreement journey, how it's begin and what are the Lucky's policy Asia Pacific focus, and what are the free trade agreements till now India made, that is European Free Trade Agreement, India Mauritius, India Australia, India UAE, India Sri Lanka, India Nepal TT, India Bhutan Agreement, India Thailand Free Trade Agreement, India Singapore, India Malaysia, India Japan, and also India South Korea. There's a India EU Free Trade Agreements key highlights, and what are the key benefits for India and what are the key benefits for EU. These are the topic we are going to discuss by today's news. First of all, why it is in the news. There is a cautious India might is much better off instead of strike a side deal with the France and Germany nation that together account for 40% of the basic GDP, thereby securing a more tailored potential advantageous agreements. India and European Union have decided to continue their much awaited free trade agreement in the year of 2025. During the high-level meeting, Prime Minister Narendra Modi, European Commission President that Ursula von der Leyen, that is both leaders emphasized the importance of the balanced, ambitious free trade agreement. That is a key light. First of all, free trade agreement. This is the first time concrete deadline has been initiated, which has been under the negotiation since 2007. There is an investment and geographical indication. There is a alongside FTA negotiation and ongoing agreement that investment protection and geographical indication. Tech cooperation. There is a side agree to enhance both the side agree to enhance the tech cooperation collaborations in semiconductor and also the high performance computing 6D technologies also. There is a security and defense partnership. There is a EU is exploring a future security and defense partnership with India to its agreement with Japan and also South Korea. This would focus countering the cross-border terrorism, maritime security threats, and also cyber attacks, protecting the critical infrastructure. There is a India's free trade agreement begins in the year of 2000. That is a Lucky's policy Asia Pacific focus. That is a India initially focused on the Asia Pacific region under Lucky's policy, signed FTA with Singapore, South Korea, Japan, Malaysia, and diversify beyond the Western markets. So the economic regional comprehensive economic partnership, a major Asia Pacific trade bloc. That is a India has signed 13 free trade agreement. That is a regional trade agreement, free trade agreements with various countries, and also it signed 6 preferential trade agreement, including Asia Pacific Trade Agreement. There is a European Free Trade Association, India and EFTA, that is bloc comprising Iceland, Liechtenstein, Norway and also Switzerland. This agreement is enhanced bilateral trade investment between the parties. India's Mauritius Comprehensive Economic Cooperation Agreement is signed in 2021, and also Indo-Australia ECTA agreement, and also India UAE CEPA agreement, and South Asia Free Trade Agreement, that is after implemented in the year of 2006. There is a India Sri Lanka Free Trade Agreement. It affects since 2000. India Nepal Treaty, that is a provides duty free access to the primary products. India Bhutan Agreement, that is on trade, commerce, and also the transit, and also India Thailand Free Trade Agreement initiated in the year of 2004, that is mainly on the early harvest scheme. The India Singapore, that covers the trade, service, investment. India Malaysia, that covers the effective from 2011 trade, services, investment. India Japan, that is on 2011, eliminates the tariff on waste majority of goods since 2011. And India South Korea, that is a CEPA, that is tariff reduces promote the Asia India FTA. And also India, that is signed many agreements to cooperate the economical forums. India's EU free trade agreements, the key points, that is a deadline set for the 2025. That is a major issue that India is the European Union have decided to conclude that long awaited FTA by the end of 2025. Resumed negotiation FTA talks which began 2007 and abandoned 2017. Now Brexit resumed in 2022. So large trade deal that India EU FTA is set to a largest trade deal with a globally and also enhance the market access. Key negotiation areas mainly for the protection and geographical induction. There is a strategic importance also. They state the strategic importance. The FTA comes with a critical time as both India and EU face a potential higher import duties, and also there is a broader collaboration areas mainly semiconductor, AI, 60, green hydrogen, and also India, Middle East, Europe economic corridor. And also there is a benefits proposed of FTA mainly for the complementary economy, shared democratic values, uh, mutual interest in diversifying the global trade partnership. What are the key benefits for the India? First of all, it enhances market access. It grow the some sector like pharmaceutical, IT, agriculture, processed food, boost the foreign investment, stronger intellectual property right, job creation and economic growth. There is a key benefits in the EU mainly for the EU. Key benefits for the EU access to India's growing market, that is 1.4 billion population present, a vast consumer base of the EU industries, including automobile, machinery, luxury goods, and also there is a stronger investment in the climate sector and also diversification of the supply chain, so that aim to global supply chain disruption. EU companies can reduce the dependency on China by sourcing from India, and also expansion of the renewable energy side. So this is also main collaboration with the renewable green energy, green hydrogen projects, invest in solar wind projects. So these are the main collaborations. So FTA will strengthen the EU Indian collaboration in space, defense, cyber security, and also the strategic partners. European companies will gain access of India's growing defense sector under a Make in India initiative. Thank you so much.